Today, we're diving deep into the world of growth stocks, uncovering 3 hidden gems poised for explosive growth by 2025. We're talking about companies with the potential to completely disrupt their industries and deliver massive returns for savvy investors. If you're tired of the same old boring investments and ready to supercharge your portfolio, then you absolutely do not want to miss this video. We're going to break down each company's strengths, analyze their growth potential, and give you the insights you need to make informed investment decisions. And stick around until the end of the video, because I'm going to share a bonus growth stock tip that could have you sitting on a goldmine in just a few years. But first, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next important financial investing update. Our first growth stock pick is a company that's been quietly revolutionizing the way we consume and interact with information online: Reddit. You might know Reddit as that site with all the funny memes and cat videos, but it's actually much more than that. Reddit is a massive network of online communities known as subreddits covering virtually every topic imaginable. From finance and technology to gaming and pop culture, there's a subreddit for everyone on Reddit. This unique structure has fostered a sense of belonging and deep engagement among its users, making it one of the most visited websites globally. But what makes Reddit a compelling growth stock? Let's take a closer look at its recent developments and future prospects. Unlike traditional social media platforms, Reddit's content is primarily driven by its users. This bottom-up approach has created an incredibly diverse and engaging content ecosystem that keeps users coming back for more. Whether it's through asking questions, sharing opinions, or participating in lively discussions, Reddit users are actively involved in shaping the platform's content. This level of user engagement is incredibly valuable, as it creates a loyal and passionate user base that's highly receptive to advertising and monetization efforts. And Reddit has only just begun to scratch the surface of its monetization potential. As the platform continues to grow its user base and refine its advertising strategies, we can expect to see significant revenue growth in the coming years. Remember those Super Bowl ads that everyone was talking about a while back? Yeah, that was Reddit. It's officially hit the big time, and it's just the beginning. So, how exactly does Reddit make money? While the platform has experimented with various monetization strategies over the years, its primary revenue stream comes from advertising. Brands are increasingly recognizing the value of reaching Reddit's highly engaged user base, and the platform offers a variety of advertising options, including display ads, promoted posts, and sponsored subreddits. But Reddit isn't stopping there. The company is also exploring new revenue streams, such as premium memberships and virtual goods. These initiatives are still in their early stages, but they have the potential to significantly diversify Reddit's revenue streams and unlock even greater growth in the years to come. Now let's talk about why 2025 is a pivotal year for Reddit. The company has been making strategic moves to expand its reach and enhance its platform, signaling its ambition to become a dominant player in the social media landscape. One major development is Reddit's increasing focus on video content. Recognizing the growing popularity of short-form video, Reddit has introduced features like Reddit Public Access Network, which allows users to host live streams, and integrated video hosting directly within subreddits. This strategic move positions Reddit to capitalize on the massive growth of the video content market and attract a new generation of users who prefer consuming information through video. Another key development is Reddit's expansion into new international markets. With a significant portion of its user base already located outside of the United States, Reddit is actively investing in language localization, regionalized content, and community-building efforts to attract users in high-growth regions like India and Southeast Asia. This global expansion strategy is crucial for Reddit's long-term growth, as it allows the platform to tap into new user bases and diversify its revenue streams. All of these factors combined make Reddit a compelling investment opportunity with massive growth potential. The company's strong community engagement, diverse content ecosystem, and strategic moves into video and international markets position it for explosive growth in the coming years. By 2025, Reddit has the potential to be a completely different company, and those who invest early stand to reap the rewards. Our next growth stock is one that's already made a huge splash in the financial world. Robinhood Markets. Robinhood burst onto the scene with a revolutionary idea, making investing accessible to everyone. By offering commission-free stock, options, and cryptocurrency trading, Robinhood has completely disrupted the traditional brokerage industry and empowered a new generation of investors. Its user-friendly mobile app and simple interface have made investing less intimidating for beginners, while its fractional shares feature allows investors with limited capital to buy into even the most expensive stocks. But Robinhood's ambitions extend far beyond just commission-free trading. the company has a grand vision of becoming a one-stop shop for all things personal finance. Robinhood isn't just about buying and selling stocks, it's about providing users with the tools and resources they need to achieve their financial goals. The company has expanded its offerings to include a cash management account with a debit card, recurring investments, and even cryptocurrency wallets. Robinhood is essentially building a financial ecosystem that caters to the needs of its predominantly millennial and Gen Z user base. This expansion into new financial products and services is a brilliant strategic move for several reasons. First, it allows Robinhood to generate multiple revenue streams and reduce its reliance on trading fees. Second, it increases user engagement and loyalty by providing a comprehensive suite of financial tools within a single platform. And third, it positions Robinhood as a leader in the rapidly growing fintech space. One of Robinhood's biggest strengths is its ability to attract new users. The company has been incredibly successful in onboarding millions of first-time investors thanks to its simple interface, educational resources, and referral programs. But Robinhood's user growth isn't just about attracting new customers, it's also about keeping them engaged and actively using the platform. Robinhood achieves this through a combination of gamification, social features, and personalized insights. For example, the app's confetti animation after making a trade, while controversial, creates a sense of excitement and reward, while its social features allow users to share their portfolio performance and discuss investment ideas with friends. These features might seem small, but they've been incredibly effective in creating a sticky user experience that keeps users coming back for more. Looking ahead to 2025 and beyond, Robinhood has enormous growth potential. The company is well positioned to capitalize on the growing trend of DIY investing as more and more people take control of their own finances. Robinhood's international expansion plans are also incredibly promising. The company has already launched in several countries, including the UK and Australia, and is actively exploring opportunities in other high-growth markets. This international expansion will be crucial for Robinhood's long-term growth, as it allows the company to tap into a massive global market of potential investors. But there are challenges ahead for Robinhood too. Robinhood has faced criticism over its gamification tactics and its role in the meme stock frenzy of 2021. The company has also been scrutinized for its order routing practices and its reliance on payment for order flow, a controversial practice where market makers pay brokerages for the right to execute their users' trades. These challenges highlight the importance of regulatory compliance and risk management for Robinhood's continued success. However, Robinhood is taking steps to address these concerns and improve its platform's transparency and security. If Robinhood can successfully navigate these challenges and continue to innovate, it has the potential to become a dominant force in the global fintech industry. By 2025, Robinhood could be much more than just a trading app. It could be the go-to platform for all things personal finance, empowering millions of people around the world to achieve their financial goals. Alright, let's talk about Duolingo. Now, Duolingo is not just another language learning app, it's a game changer in the education technology space. They've completely revolutionized how people learn languages, making it fun, accessible, and most importantly, effective. Think about it, traditional language learning methods, they can be pretty dry textbooks, expensive tutors, and let's not forget those awkward language labs. Duolingo throws all that out the window. It's like having a fun, interactive language tutor right in your pocket, available 24/7. And the best part? It actually works. Duolingo's gamified approach with its bite-sized lessons, rewards, and progress tracking keeps users engaged and motivated. They've cracked the code on making language learning addictive, and that's translating into some serious growth. And it's not just me saying this. Duolingo boasts over 500 million users worldwide, making it the most popular language learning platform globally. That's more users than some countries have citizens. This kind of reach is unprecedented in the education sector and speaks volumes about Duolingo's potential. Now you might be wondering, why is Duolingo such a big deal? Well, we live in an increasingly interconnected world. Globalization is the name of the game, and the ability to communicate across borders is becoming more valuable than ever before. Think about the job market. Bilingual and multilingual individuals have a significant edge. They can tap into a wider range of opportunities, negotiate better salaries, and work with international teams. Duolingo is perfectly positioned to capitalize on this growing demand for language skills. And it's not just the job market. Travel, entertainment, and even just connecting with people from different cultures, languages, open doors to new experiences and opportunities. Duolingo is making those experiences accessible to everyone with a smartphone and an internet connection. But here's the kicker, guys. The global language learning market is projected to reach a whopping $115 billion by 2025. That's right, $115 billion. And Duolingo, as the market leader, is in a prime position to grab a massive chunk of that pie. Now, Duolingo isn't resting on its laurels. They're not just content with dominating the language learning market, they're thinking bigger. They're expanding their horizons and venturing into new educational territories. One of their most exciting new ventures is Duolingo ABC, an app designed to teach kids how to read. Just like their language learning app, Duolingo ABC uses gamification and engaging content to make learning fun and effective. And let's be real, the market for educational apps for kids is massive and growing every day. Parents are always on the lookout for tools and resources that can give their children a head start in life. Duolingo ABC has the potential to be just as successful, if not more so, than their flagship language learning app. Alright, let's talk numbers. Duolingo's revenue has been growing at an impressive clip, increasing by over 40% year over year. And what's even more impressive is that they're consistently improving their monetization strategy. They've done a great job of converting free users to paying subscribers with Duolingo Plus, which offers an ad-free experience and additional learning features. And with over 7 million paying subscribers and counting, their subscription revenue is skyrocketing. But here's the thing, guys, Duolingo is still in the early innings of its growth story, as they continue to expand their user base, refine their monetization strategy, and venture into new educational verticals. Their revenue and profitability have the potential to explode in the coming years. Now, I'm not saying Duolingo is a guaranteed home run. No investment is without risk. But when I look at Duolingo, I see a company with a massive market opportunity, a strong track record of growth, and a clear vision for the future. They're tackling a huge problem, breaking down language barriers and making education more accessible, and they're doing it in a way that's engaging, effective, and scalable. They've got all the ingredients to be a massive winner in the long run. And that's why I believe Duolingo could be a 10x stock in the making. Now remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and this isn't financial advice. This is just my opinion based on my own research and analysis. But if you're looking for a high-growth company with the potential to generate massive returns in the years to come, Duolingo is definitely worth a closer look. Now, before we wrap up, I have a bonus stock tip for you. DraftKings, ticker symbol DKNG. This company has been making waves as one of the top dogs in online sports betting and iGaming across North America. Now, if you're into online gambling or keeping an eye on the market, here's some good news. The industry is booming. Analysts predict that from 2023 to 2029, revenue in this space will double as more states give the green light to sports betting and iGaming. And guess what? DraftKings is in prime position to cash in on that growth, despite the fact that smaller competitors keep popping up. Why? Well, DraftKings has a couple of aces up its sleeve. First, it's got a killer brand. They're partnered with major sports franchises and entertainment networks, which keeps their name front and center for sports fans everywhere. Second, and this is huge, they've got scale. And with scale comes data. And in the world of sportsbooks, data is king. Think about it. Data is what helps these companies set accurate betting lines, keeping that classic house advantage. It's also the secret weapon for spotting sharp bettors, minimizing risks, and even rolling out cool features like live betting, player props, and same-game parlays. Oh, and let's not forget those juicy promotions to keep players engaged. DraftKings isn't just playing the game, they're winning it. Now let's talk results. In 2024, DraftKings crushed it. Over the 12 months leading up to September, they had 9.3 million people using their platform. That's a 41% jump from the year before. And management says they're growing revenue right alongside that user base. Plus, they're making moves toward profitability with an expected EBITDA margin of 7.4% this year. And get this, for 2025 they're projecting that margin to double as revenue climbs another 27% to 35% year over year. Insane, right? Here's the kicker, right now, DraftKings is trading at $38 per share. That puts its enterprise value at about 20 times its projected 2025 EBITDA. With their margins improving and a ton of room for growth in this market, DraftKings looks set for serious earnings growth in the years to come. So, if you're wondering whether it's too late to jump on the DraftKings train, I'd say, don't count yourself out just yet. So there you have it, 4 high-performing growth stocks that I believe are set to explode in 2025. Reddit, Robinhood Markets, and Duolingo are all disrupting their respective industries and changing the game as we know it. If you're enjoying this and want a deeper dive into spotting undervalued stocks, I've put together a free guide for you. 7 proven steps to spot undervalued stocks like a pro. You can grab it from the link in the description below. Remember guys, investing always involves risk and the stock market doesn't always go up. But by doing your research, investing in companies you believe in, and holding for the long term, you can significantly increase your chances of success. As always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload.